I'll guide you through how to track all orders using Apple Intelligence to finally centralize every online purchase, solving the problem of relying on merchants who never supported the old Apple Wallet system. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. First, understand that you must have an Apple Intelligence compatible device, such as the iPhone 15 Pro or newer. Verify you are running iOS 26 or later for the feature to appear. The on-device AI identifies shipping details from emails sent by merchants or delivery carriers, then consolidates everything in the Wallet app. To begin, enable the AI order tracking. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. At the bottom of the menu, tap Order Tracking, toggle on Apple Pay to enable automatic order addition. Also, toggle on Mail Beta to allow Apple Intelligence to scan your emails. This feature is part of Apple's on-device AI system. It privately and proactively identifies shipping details from emails sent by merchants or delivery carriers, then consolidates everything in the Wallet app. Next, let's see how to find and manage your orders. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the three dots More icon in the top right corner. Select Orders from the drop-down menu to see your consolidated tracking hub. Browse your orders organized by month and year. Tap Individual Orders to see detailed status and shipping updates, such as order number, purchase total, payment status, and estimated arrival time. Use the order options to mark the order as complete, mute notifications, or delete the order. This Siri-powered integration represents the most streamlined and secure way to track all your shipments directly using the Apple ecosystem. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.